Thanks to its essential oil, rich in anethole, star anise is known to stimulate digestion and soothe intestinal spasms. It is thus recommended against bloating, painful spasmodic colitis, gastritis, digestive slowness, belching, and flatulence. Taken in high doses, it can stimulate the central nervous system. Star anise is native to southwest China, Yunnan. It has been used there as a masticatory for over 3,000 years. In Chinese pharmacopoeia, it is used against gastric disorders. Star fruits were introduced in the 16th century in Europe by Thomas Cavendish, an English explorer. The Chinese badian is a tree that can reach 5 meters in height. Its leaves are long and pointed, its flowers white-yellow. The star anise has follicles in it. There is a brown, shiny seed in each follicle. Be careful not to confuse Chinese star anise with Japanese star anise, Illicium religiosum, which is poisonous. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.